Hey everyone, Chris Fix here. Today we're tackling one of the most annoying things that can happen to your car, a scratch. Seeing a scratch on your paintwork is always a downer, but you don't have to run to a body shop and pay a fortune. What if I told you that you can fix many scratches yourself, right in your driveway? This guide will show you how, step by step, so even beginners can get pro results. Not only will you save money, but you'll also learn a valuable skill and connect with your car. We'll cover everything: identifying scratch types, gathering supplies, and fixing both light and deep scratches. By the end, you'll be looking at your car with pride, knowing you did it yourself. Ready to become your car's hero and restore its shine? Let's get started and make that paint perfect again. Grab your tools, let's do this. Before fixing a scratch, you need to know what you're dealing with. Think of your car's paint like a layer cake: metal, primer, base coat, and clear coat. Light surface scratches only affect the clear coat. These are the easiest to fix. Use the fingernail test. If your nail doesn't catch, it's a surface scratch. If your nail catches, or you see white or metal, it's a deeper scratch, possibly down to primer or bare metal. Deep scratches need more attention, but don't worry, you can still handle them at home. The most urgent are those exposing bare metal. Fix these quickly to prevent rust. Don't panic if you see metal. The process is more involved, but still DIY friendly. Now that you know what you're up against, let's get the right tools. Identifying the scratch type is the first step to a flawless repair. Let's move on to what you'll need. Time to gather your scratch-fighting arsenal. You'll need high-quality microfiber cloths, at least 2 or 3, to avoid adding new scratches. For light scratches, grab a scratch remover or fine polishing compound. For deeper scratches, get a touch-up paint pen that matches your car's paint code, usually found inside the driver's door. Fine grit, wet and dry sandpaper, 2000 and 3000 grit, is essential for smoothing rough edges. A bucket of soapy water keeps your sandpaper lubricated for safe, wet sanding. Isopropyl alcohol or panel prep spray ensures a clean surface before painting. Finish with car wax or sealant to protect your repair. Recap: microfiber cloths, scratch remover, touch-up paint, fine grit sandpaper, soapy water, and wax. With these supplies, you're ready to tackle any scratch. Let's get to work. Next up, fixing those light surface scratches. Let's start with the easy win: light surface scratches. First, wash and dry the area thoroughly to avoid rubbing in dirt. Apply a small amount of scratch remover to a clean microfiber cloth. Work the product into the scratch using gentle circular motions for about 30-60 seconds. Don't press too hard, let the product do the work. Buff away any residue with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Inspect your work from different angles. Most light scratches will vanish after 1 or 2 passes. If a faint mark remains, repeat the process. Enjoy that instant satisfaction. Your car already looks better. Light scratches are quick fixes that make a big difference. Now, let's tackle those deeper, more stubborn scratches. Ready for the next level? Here's how to handle deep scratches. Deep scratches take more effort, but you can do it. Start by cleaning the area with soap and water, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol. Wet sand the scratch gently with 2000 grit sandpaper, always sanding in the direction of the scratch. Keep the sandpaper and area wet to avoid further damage. Wipe dry and check your progress. The area should look dull and smooth. Shake your touch-up paint well, then use a toothpick or fine brush to apply thin layers into the scratch. Let each layer dry completely before adding the next, building up until the scratch is filled. Once cured, wait at least 24 hours. Gently wet sand with 3000 grit to level the repair. Polish the area with compound to restore shine and blend the repair. Finish with a coat of wax or sealant for protection. The result? A nearly invisible fix you did yourself. Take your time. Patience pays off. Let's make sure you avoid common mistakes. Even with good instructions, mistakes happen. Here's how to avoid them. Never use old t-shirts or rough towels. Always use clean microfiber cloths to prevent new scratches. Don't press too hard. Gentle pressure is key, whether polishing or sanding. Skipping the cleaning step is a recipe for disaster. Dirt will cause more scratches. Always start with the finest sandpaper grit and use it wet. Never dry sand. Using the wrong products or techniques can make things worse, so follow each step carefully. Take your time, and don't rush. Patience leads to professional results. Double-check your supplies before starting. Avoid working in direct sunlight or on hot panels. With these tips, you'll get a flawless finish without costly mistakes. Ready for some pro secrets? Let's level up your results. Want pro-level results? Here are my top tips. Test products on a hidden spot first to check compatibility. Work in the shade and on cool panels. Heat dries products too fast and can cause streaks. Invest in quality products. Cheap compounds can do more harm than good. After polishing, always apply a fresh coat of wax or sealant to protect your repair. Wax not only protects, but also helps blend the repair with the rest of your paint. Take your time. Attention to detail makes all the difference. These small steps separate a good repair from a great one. Protect your hard work and enjoy that flawless finish. Now, let's celebrate your success. You did it. You've mastered scratch repair and saved serious money. Step back and admire your work. Your car looks amazing thanks to your effort. You've gained a valuable skill and confidence to tackle future projects. Share your results with friends, family, or online. Your story can inspire others. The DIY community thrives on shared knowledge and encouragement. Keep practicing and learning. Every repair makes you better. Don't be afraid to ask questions or try new techniques. Keep your car looking sharp and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Thanks for following along. Stay positive and keep wrenching. You've got this. Now go enjoy your beautifully scratch-free ride. Until next time, happy driving.